Wait, we're starting?
Yes.
Oh.
Eh.
Yeah, I could try fly like you.
Yeah, it was one eye was covered.
Oh, thank you for opening my eye.
I'm a swan, not a duck
I'm
or
gonna
a
try
goose.
fly like you.
You got no feathers.
You're right. I need feathers. Pluck.
No! Blink.
Oh. Okay, then I get more feathers off another bird.
No! No, don't! Wait, they're not even
Never
mine.
mind. I got more blood on me. I'm sorry.
You don't want to risk dying from blood loss.
No, I accidentally killed the bird.
Oof.
I got more feathers. I'm gonna put them on my ears. I'll be back.
Oh, brother. Eh.
Okay, I'm ready to fly. Watch this awesome move. I can't fly.
Of course you can't. I'm a bird.
I'll do a
You're-
cartwheel. That was awesome.
Yep. Bick, bick. Bick, 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 bick. Bick, bick,
Hey,
bick, bick.
stop it.
Bick, 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 bick.
I'll peck on you.
Eh.
Oh my god!
Eh.
You darn meanie. Stop it. I'll peck on you again.
Another fight. You want to go, mate? You want to go?
Yeah, you want a piece of this? Piece of meatball? Yeah.
This is a rabbit and a bird fight.
You knocked me out.
A goose, the swan wins.
Did I suffocate you?
Died.
Yeah, I won. I can't believe I did it.
None.
Zombie!
Me and this stupid toucan never even won.
Oh, there's a zombie on the loose. Everyone, run! Run, there's a zombie on the loose.
Be sure to like and subscribe.
You
Get
better
out.
like it or I'll punch you in the face. JK, I won't do that.